In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product from Stan Store. If you've ever added a product to your Stan Store and later realized you don't need it anymore, or maybe you just want to clean up your offers, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it safely and completely. First, go ahead and log into your Stan Store account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel there. In that panel, find the option labeled My Store and click on it. This is where you can view and manage everything that appears in your store. After you click My Store, you'll be taken to a page that shows your store's main header at the top. This usually includes your store name or branding. Right below that header, you'll see a list of all the products you currently have available in your Stan Store. Take a moment here to double check that you're on the correct store if you manage more than one account or brand. Now, scroll through the list and find the specific product you want to delete. It's important to be certain at this point, because deleting a product will remove it from your store and customers won't be able to purchase it anymore. If you're unsure, you might want to copy any important text, pricing details, or images from that product first, just in case you want to recreate it later. Once you've located the correct product, look to the right side of that product's row. You should see an icon with 3 horizontal dots. These dots usually indicate more options or settings related to that item. Click on the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take for that product. From that drop-down menu, select Delete Product. As soon as you click this, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. The pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete the product. This is your final chance to confirm that you've selected the right one. If everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, click the Delete Product button in the pop-up. Now, wait for the page to reload. This may take a moment, depending on your connection, so just give it a little time. Once the page refreshes, check your product list again. You'll see that the product you selected is no longer there. That means you've successfully deleted a product from your Stan Store.